Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
The breeze is picking up out there. Here's a live look from Pompano Beach. Boy, very rough seas. We are expecting a high risk of rip currents in the forecast. And I know it's so beautiful out there. The first thing you want to do is head to the beach. But we do suggest you stay on the beach. Don't try to get into the water. Very rough seas out there are expected today and leading into Thursday. And because of that high risk of rip currents, very dangerous conditions for you beachgoers. As you notice, there's not too many people out there in the waters, which is great news. If you do head to the beach to enjoy all that sunshine, make sure you are by a lifeguard. Let's go to our graphics. You can see we've got this breezy setup in place. We are expecting that east wind to move in anywhere between 15 to 20 miles per hour. That's causing a high risk of rip currents. Moderate chop for you boaters. Seas will be anywhere between 2 to 3 feet. We do have some cloud cover coming on shore with that east breeze. We have some low-level clouds from the western Atlantic and some mid and high-level clouds moving in from the Gulf of Mexico. Now, most of those clouds have not produced any showers. As you can see, there's plenty of sunshine peeking through the cloud cover, making for a nice day, our first day of spring. Going to be a bit warm. We are forecasting highs a couple degrees above where we should be this time of year, and our lows ran about 6 degrees above average. Still watching, though, some isolated showers on the radar. Most of the activity staying offshore. There is a possibility with that onshore breeze. We could see an isolated sprinkle throughout the day. Otherwise, temperatures are warming up with the sunshine in place. 79 in Miami as well as Miccosukee, 78 Key West, 80 degrees already Fort Lauderdale, Pompano Beach, and Pembroke Pines. The winds moving in off the ocean anywhere between 17 and 18 miles per hour, and we are expecting those breezy conditions to continue. Let's show you what's going on from coast to coast. Boy, our friends in the Pacific Northwest dealing with a winter wallop as the systems moving into the Pacific Northwest are dealing with a winter forecast compared to a spring forecast, and our friends throughout the Midwest dealing with some very strong storms. This system, a very strong system, brings some heavy rain, gusty winds, and flooding concerns for portions of Texas and into Louisiana. Now you can see the temperature contours on this map. We've got a big difference in temperatures. Behind the front, temperatures in the 30s. Ahead of the front, we've got temperatures in the 70s. That's because the warm, humid air is lifting from the Gulf of Mexico. And believe it or not, Chicago could flirt with a record-breaking heat day. Again, this will be 7 days in a row. They're forecasting highs in the mid-80s. It could be warmer in Chicago today, my friends, than it is here in South Florida. At least we have that ocean breeze to take away from the heat. Regardless, with the collision of both of these air masses right around the Midwest, there is that possibility of severe weather. There's a tornado watch box in effect for portions of eastern Texas and western Louisiana, and it looks as though there could be the possibility of more severe weather throughout the day. For us, high pressure in place will keep us breezy as we go into today, leading into tonight. Tomorrow, we will stay downright windy, and I'm keeping my eyes on a plume of moisture that's starting to develop over the Bahamas. By tomorrow morning, we will see a better chance of an isolated shower, and those showers will stay in the forecast for your Wednesday. High risk of rip currents at the beaches, the bay at a moderate chop. For you in the Keys, a small craft advisory due to the wind and seas, and nearshore waters rough. Highs today in the lower 80s with an ocean breeze. Lows in the mid to upper 60s and lower 70s. Slight chance of a shower tonight, better chance of showers tomorrow. Have a great day.